get into the Christmas spirit. What? This is some pretty hair. Welcome back to my channel. It's Tinuke here. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, I'm feeling like $1,000,000, right? Like, I'm ready to go to a holiday party. Like, oh, let me show you guys my makeup. Yes, details. But oh my god, this is gorgeous. This hair is gorgeous. Okay, this hair is Lachan by Sensationnel Hair from Empress Lace Wig in the color Neon Forest. Baby, what? This hair is giving me all the life you need before I started YouTube, because I saw this other YouTuber review it and I was just like, she looked exactly like Tiana Taylor. And I'm going to put a review, like a picture or a link to her video so that you can see what it looks like on her skin tone. And I also know that Melanin Kit Kat, one of the OGs of hair reviews, she did this color in red. So I'm going to put a link to their videos down below so that you can take a look at what this unit looks like on other people. So this is the card stock, or is it like color stock? I don't remember what it's called. I'm so freaking excited. But it comes in so many different colors. 14 different colors. 14 different colors, and there's one called Neon Fire. I think that's the one Melanin Kit Kat. Like, even the name itself. Let me just get into like the first pro. The biggest pro about this here is the lace. Oh my god, this lace, yo, like, I feel like I wish you could see this in person, because on camera this lace is not showing up like really well, but on like in person this lace is freaking everything. Like, it looks so freaking realistic, like, oh my god, the lace is amazing. Then the other big pro is it's super soft. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so freaking soft. Yo, I just feel so like, oh, this hair is freaking gorgeous. Like, I love the way this looks. Oh my god, I'm like beaming from ear to ear because this is just insane. This wig is amazing and it's so soft. And another big pro, it's lightweight. Like, this feels like you don't have anything on your head. Like, what? It is super lightweight. It's also big head friendly. Like, oh, so gorgeous. The con about this here though is that it sheds. Like, and of course a unit like this will shed because it's like it's a silky bone straight unit in color. So like, yeah, it definitely does shed. And another con to it is that, like, it's one of those units that get like staticky, like gets flyaways. So one thing I just suggest is take a sprit spray. What sprit spray is this? This is a finishing spray. It's sprit spray. It's just another form of sprit spray, and just like spritz it and run it through the hair so that it's like it stays down. But what? Get into this. This is a whole holiday themed, Christmas themed hair and outfit slay. I'm going to be posting pictures on my full outfit and my full hair, and yeah, I'm going to be posting my pictures on Instagram so that you can see and maybe get some inspiration. My Instagram is __Tinuke__. But whew, Whoo! Oh my god, this wig is so nice. So nice. Please, this wig is a 10. Like every wig I do, like I'm always like, oh, it's a 10, it's a 10, it's a 10. That's because it is a 10. It is a 10. It is a 10. Like, come on. Look at that. Look at that. What? And it's so long. How long is this? Ooh, let me not flash you guys. How long is this? This right above my belly button, and for height reference, I am a fun size 4'11" and 4'11", so for height reference, that's how long the hair is. But yes, get into it. Look, the way I slayed this wig, I'm going to put it at the end of the video if you want to take a look at that. But yes, baby. Yes, yes, yes. What? And look at those And Merry Christmas in advance. Hope you have a good holidays. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you just like new things to come in 2020, good things to come in 2020 to everybody. Yeah, I pray we'll all end the year freaking strong and freaking just grateful and thankful for everything. But yeah, this is Lachan in Neon Forest. As I always say, get into it. Please show up to the holiday party looking like what? Money! Money, 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 money. Yes, I'm so in love with this. Oh, I just want to stay on camera and just like rave all about this hair. Like this hair has me beaming from I love this. I love this too. Thank you so much for watching. My next video is going to come out next weekend, of course. And until then, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and that's it. That's it. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.